Hello everyone, myself Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain PDF activities like get PDF page count activity, extract images from PDF activity, and export PDF page as image activities in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. Get PDF page count activity. If you want to work with PDF files in the UiPath Studio, we need to install UiPath.pdf.activities in the project dependencies. By default, this package is not available in the dependencies. So we need to install in the manage packages. So we need to click on manage packages, click on all packages, search for PDF. Then we will have a package uipath.pdf.activities package. Select the package, click on install and click on save. Now the package got installed. Go to the activities, search for PDF. So these are all the activities for the PDF automation. If we want to know all the pages count in the input PDF file, we can use the get PDF page count activity. So for this activity, in the file name section, we need to select the input PDF file path. So in the properties, we have a password property. In case if the input PDF file is password protected, we need to mention the password. And in case if the input PDF file is not password protected, then we can keep it as a blank. The output of the get PDF page count activity will return the integer. So let me create a variable int page count. So let me take one log message to display the extracted page count. So in the message section, I'm going to write in a message total pages into page count dot to string, right? So let's save and run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So in the output panel, we can see the total page count as 3. So let me open the input PDF file. So this is the input PDF file. So I'm just opening. So here we have 3 pages are available, right? Extract images from PDF activity. If we want to save all the images in the input PDF file, we can use the extract images from PDF activity. So for this activity, in the file name section, we need to select the input PDF file path. So here in the output folder name section, we need to mention the destination folder path. So here I am going to mention the destination folder path as images. Basically, I have created this images folder under project directory. So let's click on save. So here again we have a password property. So if input PDF file is password protected, we need to mention the password here. Image extension means the available images in the input PDF file with what extension you wanted to save, right? So here we have few options are available. So as per our requirement, we can select the file extension. I am selecting the PNG. So let's open the input PDF file. So this is the input PDF file. So in each page we have a one image is available. So total we have 3 images are available. So in the images folder, so we don't have any images, right? Now let's save and run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the images folder. So the three images has been saved, and if I right click and go to the properties, so the file extension is PNG, right? Export PDF page as image activity. If you want to save PDF page as image, we can use the export PDF page as image activity. So for this activity, in the file name section, we need to select the input PDF file path. In the output file name section, we need to mention the image complete destination path with extension. So here I am going to mention the image path as images slash test.png. So here we can select different file extensions. So in the extract images from PDF activity, in the image extensions, we have different file extensions are available, right? The output file name will support these all file extensions. Then we have a password property. In case if the input PDF file is password protected, we need to mention the password here. In case if the PDF file is not password protected, we can keep it as a blank. Then we have a image dip. So this will specify the image quality. So the low number image dip will give us the low quality of image, and higher number will give us the good quality of image. Then we need to mention the page number, what page number you wanted to save as image. So here I am mentioning the page number as 2. If I run the process, the second PDF page will going to save as an image in the images folder with the test name, and the file extension would be .png, right? So let's save and run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the images folder. So the test image got created. So here we have a second page, right? Now let's see how we can save all the PDF pages are available in the input PDF file into the images. To do that, first we need to know how many pages are available in the input PDF file. So for that I am going to take get PDF page count activity. So we need to select the input PDF file path. Then we need to mention the variable, take repeat number of times activity. So in the repeat number of times section, I am going to pass int page count. In the body section, I am going to move this export PDF page as image. So in the page number section, I am mentioning the current item, right? So in the output file name section, I am going to save the each page with the page number. So for that, I am going to change the expression page space current item dot to string, then the file extension dot png, right? Now let's save and run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the images folder. Three images has been saved with page numbers, right? Page 1, page 2, page 3.